So when they do it, it automatically becomes small.
Yeah.
She gets anxious very fast.
All of a sudden you wake up at the morning as a boy.
Mm-hmm.
So what will be the one thing you will do first?
He likes me. It was
Okay.
just on his face.
Can I not answer that question?
Hi guys,
welcome to
Review Nodi.
So I hope all are doing well, and today's video is not about visiting any outlets or reviewing any food. It's all about
Entertainment.
entertainment. So yeah, you heard it right. It's all about entertainment.
ಸೊ ಸಮೀರು ಇಬ್ಬರು ಹುಡುಗಿಯರನ್ನ ಹುಡುಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸೊ ಸ್ನೇಹ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಜೆನ್ರಿಕ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಕುಡ್ ಬಿ ಫನಿ ಸೊ ವಾಚ್ ಟಿಲ್ ದಿ ಎಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್
Please watch till the end. So hi guys.
Hi,
Your name?
Sonali, Sakshi.
Okay, I'm Sneha. So first thing, you guys are friends, right?
Yeah.
So you know each other. What?
Yes. Sort of, yeah.
Okay. So I'll ask few questions to you about her. So the question is, what one good habit she has?
That you'll know. I have a lot. Yeah, she loves to stay clean. I love that. I tell
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है सर.
her sometimes, but you just come to my place and
Okay.
help me organize.
And yeah, the same question to you about her.
See, she will speak her heart out. She will not have any filters, so that's a good habit for her.
Okay. So it's the opposite question. Like, what is the weird habit she has?
Let's see. Can I not answer that question?
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Why so?
Because I just like remove that. Even if she has, I will not remember it.
अच्छा.
I'll be like, yeah, like,
Yeah, same
Ah.
answer if you ask me.
So you are from Bangalore,
No. I'm from Bengal, West Bengal.
West
I'm
Bengal.
from Kerala.
Oh, nice. So, what is the good thing you liked in Bangalore?
I would say weather and the trees, the clouds. I love all that.
The only thing actually.
Huh? But then the food. Like you get so different kind of food.
Being a
every-
vegetarian, I
So,
would
how
say no.
did you guys become friends?
We were
You're from Kerala and you're from West Bengal.
we were in the same PG. Yes.
Oh, okay,
So,
nice.
yeah.
PG friends.
So she came here for her articleship, internship, and I was also working over here, and then we both met.
What is that one thing that most people do and it becomes small?
And it becomes small. So when they do it, it automatically becomes small.
Yeah.
So like if you're no, so like if
प्यारी समझ गई.
you're using a soap again and again, the soap becomes
Small.
So it's small.
Apart from that.
I have a very weird answer which I would not take.
No,
No, I
What
won't
are
say
you
that.
thinking?
I'm on camera, I won't say that.
What are you thinking?
No, I will tell you afterwards for sure. Yeah, that would be the soap thing only.
One more thing is smoke. Cigarette.
Oh, cigarette. Yeah, that would also, na.
Your name?
Gunjan.
Ayushi.
Okay, I'm Sneha. So, you both are friends
Yeah.
from long time or short time?
3 years.
3 years.
3 years. So, both are from Bangalore.
Not really, but we are living in Bangalore. Like we work here in Bangalore.
Oh, so how did your friendship start?
We met in office.
Office friends, colleagues,
Yeah.
friends.
Ex-colleagues.
Okay. So since it is like 3 years of gap, 3 years of friendship, you both know about each other well, right?
Yeah. We can
Maybe
say.
if not, I'll ask some questions. There you'll get to know if you know her well.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah. So okay, I'll start with you
Okay.
about her.
Mhm.
So what is the weird habit she has?
She gets anxious very fast.
What?
Okay, the same question to you.
I think the same.
Anxious.
Answers can't be same.
Okay.
Okay.
Weird thing.
Come on, Ayush.
Hmm.
No?
I don't find any kind of weird thing.
Okay, I'll ask you the other question. So if you want to take one good habit from her,
Okay.
what would that be?
Like she like to explore new things and like to travel. So I think that's a very good habit
No comments.
for her. So yeah.
What about you?
She is very she cooks very healthy food and she's
Oh,
very health
health
conscious.
conscious.
Yeah.
Irritation country.
So I think I should be taking that from her.
Nice. So paintings you're doing, or both?
Yeah, paintings. So we didn't met for a long time and then we plan a date today. So we thought why not painting?
Friendship date.
Yeah.
Nice.
What is that one thing the most people do and it becomes small?
And it becomes small.
It becomes small. The most people do.
What is one thing which most people do that becomes small?
Yeah, boy.
Like do that thing with that thing and it becomes
Yeah.
small.
Which most people do.
हाँ बहुत जने करते हैं और छोटा हो जाता है.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो ना?
क्या करते हैं भाई ऐसे?
लड़का लड़की दोनों करते हैं.
I think we are both down. फोन देखना.
इंता जने लेल सिक्ता निम्के होड़ी री चप्पल है.
फोन तो नॉर्मल
जो
है
रील्स.
उससे.
अच्छा. क्या करते हैं लड़के बेड से उठने के बाद?
It's not that way. they want us to go, but it's not like that.
मतलब नहीं समझ आया मेरे.
Like कुछ तो weird answer है जो वो सारे हैं हमसे बुलवाना वो नहीं है.
Do you have any answers in mind?
No.
Smoke.
So both of you, all of a sudden, you wake up at the morning as a boy.
Mm-hmm.
So what will be the one thing you will do first
What is the one thing I'll do first?
as a boy?
I'll go out of my house without telling my mom that where I am going.
Who stopped you?
Get married to anyone without telling.
No, it's not the same with boys. Like कि, they can marry with anyone. They also have restrictions.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
So your name, ma'am?
Richa.
And your name?
Himanshu.
Okay. Your name?
Avi. I'm little Avi. Yeah, that's
You
a
want Smiley? She's Smiley. Is it love marriage or arranged marriage?
Yeah, it's love marriage.
Love marriage. Okay. So when the first time when he came to approach you, what was the weirdest thing he did?
First time we met, I think he was making it too obvious that he likes me. It was
Okay.
just on his face, too obvious on the first meeting. So I would say that was strange for me. He could not like keep a poker face.
ನಾನೇನಯ್ಯ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ದೆ? ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ದೆ?
What about you, sir?
Same thing. I mean, I knew that she likes me, but
जिंदगी हो तो ऐसी हो.
she was the opposite actually.
Oh, nice. So how many years you guys were in relationship?
2 years before we got married.
Oh, nice. And you both are from Bangalore.
No, we are from
We
Delhi.
are from Delhi.
Oh, so you have settled here?
Yeah.
Nice. What is one of the weird character he has and you want him to change it?
Weird characteristic. you know.
Yeah. Behavior maybe?
I'm that I want him.
There
You
are
have
yours.
many, is it?
I would say he's a bit lazy on weekends. So he's working, and then on weekends he's just lazy. So I would like him to be more involved with the family, which he has started doing anyway. Yeah.
Okay. And what is the one good character he has that you want to take it?
He's a very good father,
Oh.
like very concerned about baby, and he would keep on sharing like posts regarding to welfare for baby. He keeps doing that. He's really concerned. So I would say as a father, he's a really nice, involved and concerned father.
And sir, what about you? What weird character she has and you want to change it? You want her to change it?
She's already changed a lot.
बात तो सही है.
Like
She doesn't get to sleep too often now
Oh,
because of the baby.
baby.
So yeah, and I wish she gets to sleep more often and maybe 10 hours a day.
But that's not a weird character.
No, it's not a weird character. Used to be when she used to sleep like 14 hours a day or 12 hours a day. But now it's not there anymore. So yeah, I would want her to, get that back. And
Surely.
the good thing is, I think she's come out of her comfort zone, right? Like the sleep part, she cooks everything for the baby, right? She doesn't let the cook for the baby.
बस लायक है क्या?
Choices of food, all of that is really, really admirable.
Nice. Cute couples.
You want to add something?
Subscribe
That's all.
for more videos.
Tell little enthusiast, subscribe, follow.
Follow, subscribe, and follow for more videos.
ಆಯ್ತು ಸಾಕು. You want to say something? ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನನಗೇನೋ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ಫನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ನಮ್ಮದೇ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಇದ್ದಂಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Super comedy.
Anyways, if you like this video, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ, Instagram follow ಮಾಡಿ, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Until then, take care.
Bye bye.